What's going on, people? I got a quick unboxing here for you today. I've literally received this like 10 minutes ago. I've already scribbled out all my details. Bought this watch on Sunday. It's now Wednesday. Monday was actually a public holiday, a bank holiday here in the UK. So I'm impressed with how fast this got here. I think they literally shipped it out yesterday, as you can see, special delivery. Inside here we got a very interesting Seiko. Arabic dial Seiko with Arabic numerals, or Eastern Arabic numerals to be precise. Listen, I've got not much more to say other than, let's get into the unboxing. And also before that, let's do a quick little wristwatch check. I've got a Casio Tiffany. I've taken off the strap. I hated the strap it came on. It was so uncomfortable. So I've put it on this nice little white rubber strap. It's really comfortable. I like it. Perfect for this time of year. So yeah. But other than that, let's get into the watch itself. I'm not even sure how to open this, to be honest with you. Should I just rip it open? Yeah, do you know what? Oh no, I think this is literally it. There you go. Also, I should apologize for, the surrounding environment. I haven't had time to really clean my house. I've been working all day, so I've got a little bit of time now during lunchtime. So yeah, hope you guys don't mind at all. Oh, there you go. All right, that's a nice little presentation right there. What have they said here? Thank you, your order made our day. Hope this package makes yours. Oh, good stuff. Good stuff. I'm impressed already. I'm impressed by this presentation. I bought this on Chrono24. It cost me £174, which for this watch is actually a bit overpriced. I'm not going to lie. You can find these for I've seen them go from anywhere from 130 to 150. For me, to be honest, I overpaid just because this company, they're in London, which is where I live. They seem to have a lot of very favorable reviews on Chrono24. And I thought, you know what? It's my first time ever buying on Chrono24. Let me go to a legitimate place. I think when it comes to buying watches, I think the watch is just as important as the seller. You want to make sure you buy from a reputable seller, somebody who's trustworthy, somebody who's not going to mess you about. And these guys, so far, haven't even opened it yet. This video might crumble, but they've done well so far. Let me put this here. We've obviously got the papers. It's typical Seiko manual. We've got the watch serial number, case number. Good stuff, good stuff. Yeah, put this away. See, it's in Arabic inside. So yeah, let's open this up. It's quite a small watch. I know it's 34 millimeters. To be honest, for me, that's perfect. I've got just over 6-inch wrists, so this will fit me just nicely. Do you know what? Let me put all of this to the side. Look at all this mess that I'm leaving. You know what I mean? I'm a YouTube noob, people. I'm a YouTube noob. I'm still getting into the rhythm of things. But yeah, let's open this bad boy up. Okay. It's got a nice little weight to it. I'm not going to lie, I wasn't expecting that. It is a mechanical watch. But, oh, look at that. Not sure if you guys can really see it perfectly, but that's beautiful. I like that. Let me yank this off. And they've really covered it up. You know what I mean? They take protection very seriously. Really hope I don't damage the watch here. Okay. I don't even have any scissors. I should have got scissors. Never mind. Yeah, listen, I'm messing up already. Okay, there we go. There we go. See, suddenly everything's gone. Suddenly my desk is clear. I can focus on the watch itself. Had to grab a pair of scissors. All right, let's look at this. It is beautiful. I'm really impressed by the attention to detail, especially for this price range. I mean, what can you expect from Seiko? It's an integrated bracelet. Not everybody's cup of tea. I mean, I don't really mind. I'm still very new to the watch game. But yeah, it looks all right, to be honest with you. I mean, thickness 12 millimeters, 34 millimeters as well in diameter. 21 joules. Yeah, it's quite nice. Not gonna lie. Let me try it on. I still need to obviously adjust the strap, but let me take off my old Seiko. Put these scissors away. That's nice. I like that. That actually suits my wrist very well. Very, very well. Yeah, do you know what, people? Like, this is a nice little novelty you can get. Nice little novelty piece. You know, speaking for myself, I was on Chrono24 because I was curious to buy a different kind of watch. You know, most people don't have this. In fact, I think this watch was never even released in the European market. I know for sure it was released in the Middle East, Japan, I'm assuming as well, certain parts of Asia. So to get my hands on this is really cool. It's not rare by any means. Like, you can pick these up quite easily. Nice little day-date complication. Standard. I think this can go with a suit. It can go with, you know, t-shirt and jeans. I think it's perfect for the summertime. Again, I like it. Nice little novelty piece. I'll definitely do a review in the next 2 or 3 months, no doubt about it. Give you guys a little follow-up on my experience with the watch. But yeah, so far I'm loving it. Yeah, listen, guys, appreciate you watching the video. I mean, it's just a quick little unboxing, my first ever unboxing. As you can see, I've sort of freestyled the whole thing. But in time, hopefully, I'll improve and I'll bring you better quality videos. And yeah, from myself, thank you so much.